Good morning students, welcome to Matha Solutions, our channel. Now in this class I am going to explain about the trigonometry. In the previous sections we have completed real numbers and polynomials also. Now we are going to remember the values of the standard angles of trigonometric ratios. See, 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60, 90 along with sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot here 6 into 5, 30 values need not by heart. Just a simple and easiest way to remember these values. Now, how to remember that values? See, now here 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 and 90 degrees. I am writing over here our whole number start with 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and write by 4 divided by 4 by 4 by 4 and by 4. It's a process. Now square root, take square root for all the fractions, square root and square root. Now simplify these roots, find out the values. Here 0 by 4 is equal to 0. The square root of 0 is equal to 0. We write 0 over here. And then 1 by 4. 1 ka square root 1 and 4 ka square root 2. So the final value of square root of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Here 2 and 4 can be cancelled with 2 1s are 2 2s are. Again 1 by 2 is there. Square root of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Root 2. And there cancellation is not possible. Root 3. 3 ka root is root 3 by 4 ka root 2. Root 3 by 2. Here 4 and 4 cancel 1. Root 1 is equal to 1. So these values are sin 0 ka 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2 and sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 90 1. Now find out the cos values. Just reverse the order. Here 0 to 1 is there. Now we are writing the same values 1 to 0. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. These are the cos values. Cos 0 is equal to 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2 and cos 90 0. Just we have reversed the order. Here right to left and the same values left to right we have copied over here. And then tan. Tan is equal to, students, sin by cos is equal to tan. Sin by cos is equal to tan. Sin by cos is equal to tan. For every value of here sin by cos 0 by 1 is equal to 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. Fraction ulta. So 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3, that is equal to here 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. Cancel 1 by root 3. That 1 by root 3 here. And 1 by root divided by 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 2 will go up and 2 to cancel, root 3. And 1 by 0, non-defined, not defined or infinite. 1 by 0. Any number by 0 is equal to infinite. We learnt about this in a real numbers chapter. And then cosec. Cosec is equal to inverse function of sine. Inverse function. Cosec is equal to 1 by sine. If sine value over here, you can write it here, you will get the cosec value. See, sine ka inverse 1 by 0, that is equal to 1 by 0, again infinite. Nd not defined. And then here 1 by 2, reciprocal 2 by 1, 2. Here root 2 by 1, that is equal to root 2, and 2 by root 3 of sine values we are reciprocal. and here 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So sec values, sec is equal to 1 by cos, sec is equal to 1 by cos. If you know cos value, you could write over here, you will get the value of sec. That is, both sec and cos are inverse functions. Now 1 by cos value, what is 1 by cos means? 1 by 1, 1, okay, and then 2 by root 3 is there, reciprocal 2 by root 3, and here 1 by root 2, reciprocal root 2 by 1, that is equal to root 2, and 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 1, that is equal to 2, and then 1 by 0, again infinite. Now see, cosec sine values 0 to like this, cos values we have changed this order, right to left, left right. See, observe cosec, here see the values, again same values, 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, not defined, change the order, left to right or right to left. And then now cot and tan are inverse functions. Cot is equal to 1 by tan. So if we know tan value, you can write cot. Tan value we know 1 by 0, infinite, not defined. And again reciprocal, tan value ka 1 by root 3 over here, root 3 by 1, that is equal to root 3, 1 by 1 is equal to 1, or this is root 3 by 1 and reciprocal 1 by root 3, and 1 by infinite. 1 by infinite means 1 by 0. 0 will go up, so 0 by 1, that is equal to 0. This is the easiest way to remember the trigonometric standard angles ka values. So just you can draw the table in your exam sheet, backside some rough work column mein you can write the table also. Nobody will object to you also, no one will object. Why? Because we are doing all the things in the rough work, so you are attaching all the rough sheets also along with the answer sheet. So for this table you can draw this, and then now we are going to find out the comparison of sin theta values and cos theta values. See, here sin theta value 0, 0, 1 by 2 0.5, 1 by root 2 0.70, root 3 by 2 0.86 and 1. Cos values same, the 1 is here, cos value is equal to 1 is equal to 1, root 3 by 2 same, root 0.86, 1 by root 2 0.70, 1 by 2 0.5 and 0. Now observe what happened here. See, when theta increasing 0 to 30, 45, 60, 90, sin theta values also increasing. When theta increasing, sin theta values also increasing, 0, 0.5, 0.70, 0.86 and 1. See, cos mein, when theta increasing, cos theta value decreasing, cos theta value decreasing. This point we have to remember. And then now we are going to learn about the complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. Students, complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Which are complementary angles? If two angles add करने के बाद you should get 90 degrees. Suppose 40 degrees is there and one is 50 degrees is there. If you add 40 plus 90, 50 is equal to 90 degrees. So these 40 and 50 are called complementary angles. Angle X, angle Y is equal to 90. So X and Y are called complementary angles. If you know the 40 degrees, we can find out the second angle by subtracting 90 minus 40. You will get 50. If you know the X value here, angle, you have to find out the Y value means 90 minus X. You will get the Y value. This concept is applicable in trigonometric ratios which are complementary angles. Now, sin and cos are complementary angles. Sin and cos. See, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, or cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. For example, if sin 50 is there equal to, see, we can convert them into cos value by, you can write cos and then take 90 minus this 50, so you should write 90 minus 50 is equal to 40 degrees. So like this we can convert the one angle to other angle, sin 50 to cos 40, because those two are complementary angles. Likewise, sec and cosec are complementary. So sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, or cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Now see, sec and cosec, like the same, sec something is equal to 90 minus of cosec 90 minus of that value. So, sin and cos, sec and cosec. Now finally, tan and cot are complementary angles. Tan and cot. So like this, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. See, for example, tan 18 degrees is equal to tan ka complement, we have to convert them tan values into cot values. So tan 18 is equal to cot, see, you know, 90 is there, 90 minus this 18, 72 degrees. So like this, tan and cot will be converted as tan 18 into cot 72. These are the complementary angles and complementary. These are complementary angles. Sin and cos are complementary, like sec and cosec, like tan and cot. Students, next class में we are going to learning about the trigonometric identities and proofs of identities also, along with some important twisty sums. And then students, please do subscribe our Method Solutions and like the videos and share the videos and hit the bell icon and all, and you will get all my videos as notifications absolutely free. Till then, bye.